Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rename a document in Google Slides. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up Google Slides. Here it opens up like this. From here we just have to find the document that we want to rename, and then tap on the three dots next to its name, scroll down, tap on rename, and then we can just type in here what we want the document to have as a name, presentation 1 for example. Then we can tap on rename, and as you can see here, the name is going to be changed. And yeah, we can do the same thing with the others as well, and name them accordingly. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.